meaning that they are going to review. But for us, we thought what we need in place now is implementation committee to ensure that the settlement is harmoniously done. And Right Honorable First Deputy Prime Minister said that was not the objective. The objective is that this new committee will discuss things which were left out by the first committee. And this new committee, under the leadership of Deputy Speaker, has got nothing to pick from what was done by the first committee, because it concluded its work and government has taken a decision. What is next is implementation. And since both of them are not speaking the same language, for us what we know is that government has made a position, and that is what we are going to tell the people. What is left is implementation. And after this declaration, for us, we are going to start implementing what is to us. The land is ours. We are going to continue using that land because declaration has been made. The second reason of this committee to exist is that some of the issues were left out. For example, those who died, they were not captured under the conversation. But we still believe that can be done under the implementation strategy. But another reason why we are saying no to this committee is the chair, who is the Deputy Speaker. We respect him. He's one of our role models, but we cannot sit under him to chair any issue about APA. If he wants to chair, let him wait in the plenary, where he sits as a speaker. First of all, he belongs to the region of Acholi. And in the several meetings organized by government, he has been invited not only as a speaker, but also a member from a region. He has interest. Therefore, we feel he can never be a neutral chair. Thirdly, if government wants to establish a new committee, we request the President, who is the head of government, to make another declaration to nullify what government has declared. Without nullifying the first position, we cannot accept this new committee's position, because it looks like the whole system is confused. You have declared a statement today, tomorrow there is another committee. Which one is going to do what, and for what reasons? Has this committee been established when government has already made a position? In our meetings, Right Honorable Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, clearly indicated some of the areas. For example, he has suggested that people should go to the period before the gazettement. But even this to me is diversionary, because if his interest is about the population that existed before the gazettement, the President has provided a provision for this. He said those who were there from the time the gazettement was not done, even after, they will be catered for.